It is a great place to live, and it is hot here, Laura.
Yeah, it definitely is a hot one.
Yeah.
At least we're not Phoenix, Arizona in the triple digits for 3 weeks in a row, but it's hot and we're cranking up the heat. Let's go ahead and take a look at our July temperatures. Take a little trip backwards. As you can see, we're closing in the last week of July. Temperatures have been well above average for this week. We had a nice little break from the high heat over the weekend. Man, that temperature was nice, 84 degrees, but we haven't seen any extreme heat. I mean, we did have that week that was hot, July 4th a week, with some heat advisories issued then, but overall, we haven't seen any 100-degree days. This time last year, we had 3 100-degree days, and so we will get close to that by the weekend. Our average high, 91. We've seen 17 at or above average temperatures, 7 below average, and we're going to finish the month well above average. Let's go ahead and show you the temperature trend. As you can see, above average the next 5 days, with Saturday being the hottest day. We'll likely see the heat index above 100 degrees between Thursday and Saturday. Heat advisory likely as well as we get into the weekend. A cold front still lingering just at the coast. Eastern North Carolina area of high pressure is going to settle in, and that's going to help to provide some nice weather over the coming days. We had a nice sunrise this morning. It was a brighter sunrise, and you can see as our Chapel Hill time-lapse camera right there over Keenan Memorial shows some clouds starting to develop, but we are rain-free at this time at lunchtime. So you can see quite a hot one out there from the low 90s to the upper 80s. It is feeling like July. Dew points showing right there, low 70s, some spots in the low 60s there in Pinehurst. We'll dip down into the 60s at times, mid to upper 60s, but we're not going to see that humidity come down. And the comfy category, I can tell you that much for a while. In fact, these dew points will start to rise as we get into the later part of the week. This combined with the temperature in the mid to upper 90s is what's going to help to trigger that heat advisory by the end of the week and heading into the weekend. So dangerous heat on the way. Stray showers possible, can't be ruled out. Very hit or miss, though, a 20% chance. Most of you staying dry. 93 degrees we're thinking for the high. So we'll stay in the 90s for much of the day, at least through about 6 p.m. So stay cool out there and drink plenty of water. Find the shade, that's for sure. Some clouds mixing in here this afternoon. You can see maybe a stray shower to pop up. Otherwise, mainly dry. And then we'll see tomorrow start off nice and quiet like we had this morning, and then we could see some stray showers along the sea breeze, mainly east of Raleigh tomorrow afternoon. Otherwise, mainly dry as well. Thursday, mainly dry with those showers really focused in on at the coast. Rain chances over the next 5 days looking like this. Not going to get a whole lot of rain. In fact, you might have to do some watering to your plants and in your yard, because you can see we're staying below 30% chance today through Saturday, but then better chances as we get into Sunday with our next cold front. We are keeping an eye on the tropics. Not a whole lot to get worked up about. 10% chance of development or right over the next 7 days near disturbance near the Windward Islands. And those are 20% chance of development potentially over the next 7 days here in the Atlantic. Could bring some showers on shore to parts of Florida. We'll watch both of those closely. 3-day forecast, we're more concerned right now about the heat. It's going to get hot. And so temperatures will reach around 97 Friday, 98 on Saturday, feeling more like 109 by Saturday. 97 would be our hottest temperature so far this year. And if we hit 98, that would be our hottest temperature so far this year. Our hottest temperature for this season is 96. So temperatures won't be cooling off very much overnight. Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. So warm mornings coming our way. Our next good chance of rain with some storms come Sunday. A 40% chance with a front that's going to help to cool us back down to the low 90s next week as we welcome August on Tuesday.